Here we have a problem on logarithm. Let's read the question to understand the information. If log square root of 2 to the base a is equal to 1 divided by 6, then find the value of a. Here logarithmic equation is given. In that equation, what we need to do is we have to solve for a. So the variable for which we are trying to solve is in the base of the logarithm. Okay, to solve for the variable a that is in the base of the logarithm, what we need to do is we have to take this part, logarithm along with the base a, to the right side of the equation. Whenever we move logarithm along with its base from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, we will ignore logarithm and will consider only its base on the other side. The value which already exists on the other side will become the exponent of the base. So in this case, square root of 2. So when this logarithm to the base a goes to the right side, we will ignore logarithm, we will consider only the base a. So the value 1 divided by 6 which already exists on the right side will become exponent of this a. Okay, now we can easily solve for a. Because we are trying to solve for a, so we should be trying to remove this 1 divided by 6. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to move this 1 divided by 6 to the left side of the equation. 1 divided by 6 is an exponent. When it goes to the left side of the equation, it will become its reciprocal. So square root of 2 whole to the power of 6 is equal to a. Okay, for the purpose of simplification, what I am going to do is I am going to write this square root as as exponent. So if I change the square root as exponent, it will be 1/2. So 2 to the power of 1/2 whole to the power of 6 is equal to a. Okay, now we can multiply these two exponents. So we get 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 times 6 is equal to a. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So we get 2 to the power of 3 is equal to a. Okay, so the value of 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So finally we got the value of a. So the value of a is 8.